Hello friends, welcome to part 24 of Laravel 13 series in which we are getting the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this part, we are going to work on the category filters via AJAX for the product listing page. So in this part, we will build dynamic category filters for the product listing page in our Laravel 13 AI powered e-commerce series. So flow will work like this. Open main category, then show subcategory in sidebar. See, if we will open the main category like mobile phones, then here on the left sidebar we are going to show the subcategories. Subcategories it will come iPhones and Android phones. Okay, and if in case under Android phone there are further categories, then we are going to show those categories in the Android phones. Open subcategory, then we are going to show subcategories. And if no further child categories, like if I will open the here the iPhones. In case of iPhones, now iPhones does not have any further categories, so we are not going to show left sidebar filter, left sidebar category filter. We are not going to show the category filter at that time. Okay, Ajax filtering without page refresh. So we are going to use the Ajax without page refresh. The results will come, and the URLs that we are going to use, the SEO-friendly URLs we are going to use for our filters, and this is the multiple category filter supported. Okay, like we are supporting the multiple selection of prices in the category as well. There is the multiple selection we are going to use. Okay, so we will update these files for the category filter, category service, category controller, filters.blade.php, listing.blade.php, and product service. These are the files that we are going to update. Okay, so let's come to the steps, and these are the steps that you can find under video as well. So let's first update the category service. I'm going to open the category service here, and we are going to add the another function, get filter categories. Okay, like we are having the get header categories, get category by slug. Now we are going to add the get filter categories function below get category by slug function, and this function we are going to create to get the child categories for sidebar filters. Okay, so we are going to add this function, and I'm going to add this one after this. Okay, so after this we are going to modify the category controller as well, and this one we are going to modify this category controller. The category controller we are going to modify. Okay, so this one we are going to modify this category controller. We will receive the category filters from URL and pass filters categories to the view. Okay, in this category controller. So we are going to modify this category controller. Okay, so after modifying this category controller, we are going to update the product service as well. So in product service, here we are going to add the category filter logic. Okay, after see in get category products, here is the price filter logic. Okay, after this price filter, we are going to add the category filter. So this category filter we are going to add straight away after price filter. Okay, like this. So here we will get the categories from the user that the user want, and we are going to check those categories in the we are going to fetch the category IDs from those categories, and we are going to find the products from those categories IDs. Okay, so here you can see the category filter we are going to add like this. Okay, so now update sidebar, and now we will display dynamic category checkboxes. We are going to update the filter blade file where we are going to add the category filter at the top. We're going to add it at the top, and here for each loop, and we are going to update the listing blade file. Finally, we are going to update the listing blade file with the category filters. Okay, so here you can see here, this is the complete code. We are going to update the complete code of the listing blade file in which we have also added the JS, jQuery, AJAX we have used. Okay, listing.blade file we're going to update. Now we are going to check here. Okay, actually, see, we have opened the iPhone, so that's why no subcategory is opening. See, category filter is not coming on the left side bar. So now I'm going to open the mobile phone. See now the categories are coming on the left side bar. You can see both iPhones and Android phones are coming. And if I will select the iPhone, then you can see only the iPhone is coming. Okay. So if I will select this Android phone as well, then both iPhone and Android phone are coming. Okay. So these categories are working fine. If I will unselect iPhone, then only Android phone Samsung Galaxy S24 is coming. So the left side bar category filters are also coming. And if I will open the subcategory, then the category filter will not come, because this will only come if the category having subcategories. Okay. So its category filters are now working fine as well. So we will continue working on the filters in the next part as well. And please subscribe the channel, StackDevelopers YouTube channel. You can subscribe after searching StackDevelopers, and you can open the channel and subscribe the channel for more updates. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.